Hey, so if you want to see all your tasks in a clear schedule view, yeah, the calendar feature in Trello is super useful. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Trello's calendar view to plan, track, and manage your deadlines easily. First, uh, open your board and enable the calendar view. You can do this from the Views section or by adding the calendar power-up if it's not already active. Now, this is important. Calendar view only works with due dates. So make sure your cards have due dates assigned. Next, switch from the board view to the calendar view. You'll now see all your tasks displayed based on their deadlines. One of the best parts, you can drag and drop tasks directly on the calendar to change their due dates instantly. You can filter tasks by labels or team members. This helps you focus only on what matters to you. If you want, you can sync your Trello calendar with tools like Google Calendar. This way, all your deadlines show up in one place. Use the calendar view to plan your workload. You can easily spot busy days and adjust tasks to avoid overload. And finally, review your calendar regularly. This keeps your tasks on track and helps you stay ahead of deadlines. So yeah, that's how to use Trello's calendar view feature. Once you start using it, managing deadlines becomes way easier and more visual. If this helped, subscribe for more simple productivity tutorials.